Ebusia, you are welcome back to this channel Top Gossip 24. Na niame bi a ekoso na me ne ubeba betwetwe hu nkomo no. First one no eye abrantie bia na yesi oye Nigerian ni oninam Independence Square na wakowia sa covers ne bia ordinary na Ghana boys no kwache no. Ebusia enye easy kra. Echi no ka ankon ya go kan se osi oya igbeni no free voter. Ghanaian so jina nanim se oya igbeni obisa no question. We ntumi ya no. Now the next one na wutia bibi beye wo no. Ebusua eye Nigeria maame bi ayese owo kasoa na ne babema akokun Ghana ni be me bi because na maame no okoto ade ewo Ghana maame bi ho na wentua ena maame no eko bisa na se ombetua na maame ne babema eko ho no se na wo di mi maame ka betua kanso a wo se hu wontua ena ni maame no jama okobo ni small boy no Nigeria boy na amane ena Nigeria boy ne ba ya okofre boys etwa boys ma Ghana guy na yesi omode scissors ebe wo ne yefuma sisiano guy na ebu. All these things are here kano. It boils down to one particular person wabetena Ghana waye ne ho se ono oye chama anase oye kwanku sisi ono eno so control Nigeria for no wo Ghana no sisiano ne ebeko bia no ekọ ne ebusa yebeko akọhwe videos no yeba we just come and do what we have to do. Ebusa we'll be right back.
Abrantu edesku isi oye Nigeria ni ene wakumu bi won se alatafo ne baaye na ibufo hene no baaye no ono se according to ibufo hene no ono se wo yo hene ewo eye o hemfo a wasisi wo mo a ebimu ewo eye kasoa ene ne mputem ma ye hu video aya ntimi nim se munim de mekan a ono no sisi na hemfo ebi wo kasoa ene ne mputem ni ade a ono sa ibu fake ehini a ne expose wa bontia ya kan ye gusu aye kan ye nya kan da gise motie titotwene ye be kan sa ama ye bebomu ama mutokuro nyina dutu ibo hini na o ye fake na wote Ghana ho a ono no se wosisi na hemfo a wosisi bi enyina ewo kasoa no a wona esie se o ye ibufo hene no ba bia wosisi na hemfo no ne nkwada ne ba ko akum eye obi sa na ye be kan no because o se ho ona ye hene wo ho ona e wona hemfo ho and alatafo ho airport e de mano onanum kasa o se alatafo airport e de mano e ba bia na hemfo wo enti kasoa ba bia na hemfo ne bi wo no o makum Ghana ni tien komo na edi nipa e de no mukum Ghana ni no da bia asema ya edi hu komo page we so ne se Ghana fo no betimati ase omo sika omatima sisi stores omo sika omo wo asase ne ndan ne ade no fo meja so omo di e man kofo ya adi amma omo ankasa nuam Ghana fo ama omatima ye bibia me so senka pressure amba system no so ba because say yenso ye pe ye hu ntamanyanti ene edi sa na omani nyina ma alatafo no ono watimanya akukuduro akobi eman mu etima twen atise kan anaso watwe sharp knife edi awu obi etimakunu question wo so obusa ho ne say eye den watiminya sa ahoden no ona desko ni so okunu na ekon ofa so okun abrante eche se nkofo na wudie wo mutirim ankasa ekon ofa so okun no eche se wudie ankasa wo mutirim omo ye nipa bi omugya omo esa abo ahuriye no mugya pan se be panitirim ende deda tie kwan ofa so okun nipa no oditi
Abrantia bia wadi mfie aya aduasa anan ma nan na wote na ne tenant ya wone no ati efie wono aye Nigeriani wo bia wo de ba ya kasakasa aba mu entem enam so ma Nigeriani ya kwakwatwa squad e de aba aye Ghana ni no e ma sabra meka sei wo mu de apaso aba wo wono a bra ya ma Abrantia no so na wo mu de kopie mu e wo ayaresa bia ne kra nan wantumi ankasa ebio ya ma ne boni odehie kwaku asiedu e na ekopie mu e wo hono na wani adansifo bi ekodi nkomo a wo mu kirekire nsem sei na ede ekire no
de na be si form ahun de eko ewom
de wa ma kuma bo so ye bokuni papa One year, no good stuff. I best say, well, I stole no cry, I best know. Nay, I must always say, because now.
Say, we did 33. But according to Nippon Medical Hospital, they say Nippon 9 boys nearby, now one lady economy. 9 boys now on mobile, no. Baku Ayama Meleba and a lady, so Ayama Meleba, but other guys need a new mom, be almost free by scissors, no more the one. You could do hospital, no doctor, no car say, a bleedy baby before moving to go into.
1 year ekwapie so ebi na sam na hyase anya wanim ane ne omo ahwehwe nkwamo na sadia maburu na pipeline no anya sam ketwa ye kwa omaso ne ane amane boni ode hye akwakwasi asiedu akwakwadi enkwamo ode hye otemenka memo akwaba
obiya ma mejo
sabre hefa na wugina
asese ameno ka say be da so ewo my life in bia asem no esie le honam da so agina sie
yo ode hye ukopie ho no eba ne sen ankasa
Senior, the Coba and we feel more level. I know that, and idea, a similar CSA, a committee, and say, a branch be necessary to idea over my level. On Nigeria, on a idea, a bush. Now, Catherine Yamu, the idea Nigerian number, I ban. I could try your gun and you know, or didn't have able to send. I know, Enra, a gun and you know, Minya Bema about how could be some say, a Minya by Icano. Akuzite ombe tomo kopani oma e de katakasa kakaba e no enam so ma Nigeria ni ba no ye ba be ma no ono so ho eko jeto ntokano kwen ama for the kind threatening e ya abranti ya wafa no mo ntiedo enum ananyimre no abranti ya Nigeria ni e ba be ma no e fe ne squad you say omufri awoshi e ba ye no mtiti moto no ye ma kuma ko yensa mtiti so yensa ni pan kono e na ade omo obepi mo ho a to say branch so I was so as me about no kasi sia omode seasons awo branch no nemfum miensa kama branch na kora na onwo sie do ehwem kwa kra ye say police wo ti ba modern ama omonta atimi aka ni kana o this seasons na kasa awo branch no say mum suspect na ono ko frame branch ne ba ye le nya dia a police wo say atimi aka no ti serious ehwem kwa kra ba say ye say branch na o this seasons no ewo ye ni parliament for na mo say no ye a branch o so feel je there is ono so enye Ghana ni ti ye foreigner shum kaka masa ye say ye nyame aduma ye November ya ana obenya 18 years ono ana edi say wusi tem no kasa police wo guso a omo ehhye abranche na okoto no safre ni je ni man be di ewu no ono ana police wo guso omo hye menti wa say so ivory entire animuko say enya dia omema kwan ama abranche ni maame so na wo petu ase no maame na say bobi so ni bi etime ba ba petu so no anto say maame no je ne ba no banti ni wa chenwa guso wa say ele manche no e wa say ya almost about to go say ya almost say
asiedu metiya Nigeria ni no ana onu akwa free Ghana ni na de
sarvefe
omo dan ka no ne ba kwatwa squad ababekum Ghana ni no
nunya ba semina no
ei ye betumi anya busuafo bi na ye ne o makasa
abusia fonde semino ka say me bijo mo se kan no mo kasa ba da mo cha afei ana asemina betuja mo ko bo busia penye ne mpinifo amo ewo efia ma ne nti omo de ya de ometima kasa ho wanto se ometinya kopie na omo yi ni ko ba ko ometima kasa ho santi so munya nyi sandi pana me oba e wo modi ana ne busia fon so din ko
abranti a wafiri mu o yere wo ma
abranti a wafiri no eni eyire ne mum ya de awo ba
na Nigeria fo no ankasa ahoma na chi na ya birim Ghana ni
a chese wotimuo di ne kui kakra abanjo
safe on the road. There are those who actually come to remove this. Where did you get it? Where did you get it?
I was just coming from Independence Square.
Yes.
Near to
I said, well, how do you, yes, talk, we are listening.
Yeah, I just went near to Independence Square.
Yeah.
This thing.
The Ghana, right?
No, sir.
Okay, you are not a Ghanaian. Where do you come from? Hey, what you are saying? Hey, listen. Our Papa, you say you are ever.
So I was born in Lagos.
You are a thief.
No, I'm not a thief, sir.
You see? You are, I say you are Nigerian. This is a witness. Okay. And you are saying that you are a Ghanaian. Meanwhile, you are a Nigerian.
No, I'm not a
You say you are ever?
Are you a Ghanaian?
So these are the people who actually go to remove what the state provides. Why did you pick it?
I saw it on this thing.
Oh, are you supposed to pick it?
Why you put that for sack inside?
Why did you put it in a sack? That's what you are being asked.
No, he said Ghanaian thing.
Are you a Ghanaian? Are you a Ghanaian?
Yes, the people are angry for real. Yes. You see, when people, this is what we are talking about. When we are trying to protect. So they are matching him straight to where he claims he picked it from. That is the reality. As you can see, he's some kind of junkie. So in the capital Accra, for sure, if you are a
Ebusia and quickly, I believe strongly say you guys saw what I'm talking about. It's very, very important. Say we'll put all this thing in perspective. Yeah, a brand here now, or so okofa sa gata we say yeah marching all the way to National Independence Square, baby okofa and non-funko tour. This should send a signal and a warning to any foreigner, because video back on na foreigner back when I saw this scissors no war Ghana anymore or no ankasa no or ye Niger ni and a Nigeria guy no contra squad ni buy na or di omonim ye bone no we dwane sesiano ye hu baby owo, but area mu ho no ya stop ni ma me say e mane nhedwa until so be providing ni ba no Ibani Maya Yemani Shedra Ewono. This is what Ghanaians are talking about, and this is the reason why we want to go on a peaceful march on 3rd of August 2025. 3rd of August 2025. Come, let's walk peacefully and put all this thing behind us, because Yanyesa Egypt for now or Moabetua shines and then there will be a ton of a flesh in Ghana. Nigeria for Prophet Abel, po aka say we have to be serious and we have to close our borders hard on Nigerians. Madam Kemi, on some video I may post to Ebusia, me reaction is serious. And so these are things we have to consider and we have to work on it as a country. Our president, we know we are mourning, but John Dramani Mahama, please, and please again, we know there are ECOWAS norms, but tighten the security and ensure that any foreigner will get them to face the law of the land. Ebusia, Omodian say you stay with us. We go to the length and breadth and to bring you everything. Open your idea. Remember, smash on the subscription button, comment and share. Bye for now.